So without wasting much of your time, guys, I'll show you how you can quickly claim your Bless airdrop. All right, so as you can see here, this is just the account we opened how many weeks ago, and so far we have accumulated like 13 days worth time. You know, the unit of measurement here is time, right? So you can see my today time, and you can see my time so far. So you can see that things changed here. Before it was just the home and the node tab, but now we have home, node, achievements is back, and airdrops, which is what we're here to do. So you click on that, you can see we're about to launch the first ever Bless airdrop. You have until 11 PST on August 19th, so this is the timer here, and you just click on register for airdrop. Okay, so now these are the ways you can register. Let's go back a bit, and you can see connect your X. So we have already done that. Okay, then connect the wallet you want to use to receive your airdrop. So here you can see you can use OKX wallet, Soulflare wallet, MetaMask, all these big guys here, but there's an additional 5% boost if you use OKX wallet. Okay, so I've already installed my OKX wallet. I will just open that. There it is. So installing your OKX wallet shouldn't be so hard. Just get your secret phrase and put it in the OKX wallet. All right, so just click on OKX wallet and connect, verify, and sign. And you have successfully connected the wallet. Okay, so almost there. Click the button below to register. Boom, success. You are now registered for the Bless airdrop. Follow them on X, which you should be doing already, and congrats, you're registered. Okay, so we have to wait till the 19th of August to know what this holds. If there's anything about this, I will let you guys know. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.